Good morning, hiking fans. Yeah, my morning was great again, like yesterday, because the flush of the toilet wasn't working. So, and my big business is still there, if you know what I mean. Yeah, today we going to the Schlütterhütte, which is just 21 kilometer. So it's not that much. Yeah, we'll see. I was thinking, what does it mean, to walk this way? And I met a woman. She walked all the day, a little bit earlier, and I got her on the way, and I just saw her. She sat around and, looked around, and we met us later in the hotel. And I asked her, why did her do that? So just sit around every single hour. She said that. So every single hour she sat down and she said, yeah, well, basically to enjoy my environment, to see the mountains, to feel the sun in my face, to listen to the birds, smell the fresh flowers. My goal was all the time to walk as fast as I could, all the way up and all the way downhill to achieve my goal, which was the next hotel. I asked myself what I'm doing here and what is my goal here, and I thought, okay, it's not spirituality, because after the first 1,000 vertical meter up and 20 kilometer on track, it's like you can't think anything. I guess first to have this experience, to say, hey, I walked over the Alps, who can say that? You can do a lot of things, meet new people, have a cool hiking trail through the Alps, see the nature, see different animals, gain muscles, gain stamina. And the cool thing is, on this adventure, your comfort zone, get bigger. Sun is shining. Okay, it's hot as fuck here, and I'm sweating. I see a lot of people on Facebook and Twitter and see, oh my God, what I said alive. And don't have to be such a snowflake, that you post all your sad life on Facebook and Twitter and Tinder or whatever, and said, oh my God, it's raining, it's snowing, I have a bad day, I got electroshock, blah blah blah. No? So my tour is almost done. Next behind me is Pisciadúhütte. It's a mountain, aka Gate of the Dolomites. But don't worry, don't have to go there. It's more up over there. So, almost done with my tour. Next behind is a Pisciadúhütte. It's a mountain, or aka Gate of the Dolomites. But don't worry, we don't have to go up there. We have to go up there. This is the Pisciadúhütte saddle. It's a little bit lower. And yeah, but still 300 vertical meters up. And because of that, you need energy. And think about that, eat a bread. Yeah, welcome to the Pisciadúhütte saddle. Not the 300 vertical meters up was very difficult. It was more the heat because we have beautiful weather, but it's really hot. And yeah, tomorrow we have to go over there. Over there. Yeah, today was a nice trip, or a nice tour. Was very easy and beautiful view which I had. And yeah, now I'm on Schlütterhütte, and lucky me and surprise, Schlütterhütte is one of, well, the only hotel. If you're a member of the Deutsche Alpenverein, then you get here your discounts. So for example, I paid just 17 euro a night, so compared to yesterday, it's really cheap, you know. Yesterday I paid 35 bucks. Yeah, tomorrow I will go 1.5 tour, so it'll get a little bit difficult, but anyway, yeah, see you tomorrow, I would say.
Good morning, and good morning. Without breakfast, especially without coffee, I start in my day because I have to do a walk 1.5 tour, which is really tough though. Night was okay. Slept with 8 guys in one room. All of them are very loud, snoring all the day or the whole night. Yeah. Anyway, beautiful weather, but rainfall comes at 1 p.m. so I have to be fast. I'm really glad. Maybe I see in 1 hour Edelweiss, which is a special flower, and really rare to see here. Yeah, hopefully, crossing fingers, I see one.
Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright, you look happy to meet me.
Blau, blau, blau wie den Sion. It's a German song. Look it up. Over this is a Roa saddle with 2,670 meters above the sea level, or just for me, 300 vertical meter up. After that, there's a mountain with a fixed roped route. Yeah. But since in the morning my triceps is really hurting, and because of that I can't hardly hold my walking sticks, which make me very slow today. Anyway. Cry me a river, cry me a river. Dungeons deep and caverns old, we must away at break of day to find our long forgotten gold.
I think this is the easy part here. Just a leather.
The pines were roaring on the height, the winds were moaning in the night, the fire was red.
Yeah, 2,740 meters. The last pass was quite easy. I thought it's tough, but it's okay. Yeah, so now we go all this way to the Pisciadúhütte.
It flaming spread, the trees like torches blazed with light.
So sad. Over there is a Pisciadúhütte or Pisciadúhütte. But the kitchen is closed, so that means no breakfast and no lunch for Rocky, except my delicious power bar. Welcome to the saddle. Looks a bit spooky or like a western movie with John Wayne, but the echo is lovely. Hold on a second. Yeah, this is my hotel tonight. Just kidding. My hotel is over there. The weather getting worse. Hopefully it will not rain, but yeah, 2 hours, and yeah, I guess I have to be fast, like Speedy Gonzales. Route number 666. The number of the devil. I don't like that. No, not really. My hotel is, I think, over there. What's a great idea, Rocky? Yeah. Why not calling the hotel next time in Mount Everest? Hey, there's space for me, of course. Hey. Yeah. See you on the top. The first part was easy going. Now I know why they call that the route number 666. It's a real end boss here after that tour which I did. A little bit like Ninja Warrior. Step, 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 step. Was okay. Jesus. Well, it's a very smart idea to do a red tour and after that the half of a black tour. Sure. But we have a nice view here. Yeah, my daily tour was quite tough though. You don't have to do that, what I doing all the time. You don't have to fuck yourself like me with 2 tours or 1.5 tour, especially if the other half a black one, so which is really exhausting. And yeah, as you can see, we have a lake here, which I can imagine is quite cold, but I don't want to go downhill because my legs are killing me. Yeah, I came from there. So yeah, so I'm waiting for my dinner and then going to bed because I'm really tired and I don't know why. Yeah, see you tomorrow.